within the teacher. Hi all, very happy evening to each and every student. Very happy evening to each one of you from Anil Nair classes academic team. From ANC academic team, kindly reply in the live chat in case if you are facing any audio issues, any technical issues, audio issues or any buffering issues, kindly reply in the live chat in case if you are facing. Another beautiful class on factors and multiples. Another beautiful class on factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Session number 3. Factors and multiples. Session number 3. Session number 3. Right now, we will be starting with the session. Session number 3. We will have another class, that is session number 4 at night 9:30 p.m. At night 9:30 p.m. and that will be again on factors and multiples. Minimum 8 hours to maximum 10 hours. We will discuss only on factors and multiples. I just kept the mic right now. I hope audio is clear. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples, extremely important session. Factors and multiples. Right, Rachana, I hope it is clear. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Kindly sit in the class with a notebook and a pen. Another 30 to 35 problems which we are going to discuss, covering at least minimum 7 concepts today with fundamentals and practice problems. Fundamentals and practice problems. Is volume slow? Usha says it is slow. Praveen? Okay. Is it clear right now? Audio, everybody kindly reply. 30 to 35 problems. Minimum 7 concepts which we are going to discuss. Again, the students who are new to my classes, everyday classes will happen at morning 7 a.m. Morning 7 a.m. Then it will be evening 6 p.m. and night 9:30 p.m. Night 9:30 p.m. How we will take the class? We will take the class as per topics. We will start the class with the basics. Then we will go to the intermediate level. Then we will go to the advanced level. Then finally we will discuss CAT level problems. A student who is not at all good in mathematics, it is my responsibility to create interest in mathematics. Kindly do me a favor, share this class link. Kindly share this class link to each one of your friend circle. This is the only favor or request which I have towards you. If you really respect the kind of hard work that I am doing and my team is doing, the only way to show love towards a teacher is to spread the teachings of the teacher. Kindly, if each one of you can bring another 10 to 15 students to watch the class live, I can make a difference to their preparation, right? Kindly, we will start the class. Share the class link. Kindly share the class link with as many as the class students. Now, as I told you, I have a very clear cut process in terms of running the class. Full class will be available only to the enrolled students. Non-enrolled students can watch the class freely once. Non-enrolled students can listen to the class when it is live only once freely. In case if you want the same class to watch it again and again, you have to purchase it. That details we will announce at the end of the class. Now, we will start the class. Everybody kindly reply in the live chat with yes, yes, yes. In case if you want me to start the class. I hope there are no technical issues. Once I start, it will be continuous 2 hours of non-stop academic content. Kindly reply with an yes, yes, yes. Yes, yes, yes in the live chat, so that we will start the class. Factors and multiples, I will repeat all the concepts whatever I discussed. If there is any pending problem, I will discuss. Then I will get into the concept. Each one of you, right? Please do it. Ambika, please give a call to Praveen and ask the status. Don't bring it to my level. I request you. Speak to him. You have his number. Ask him what is the status, why I did not get it. He is expected to take care of all the students. Factors and its multiples. Recap. First we will do a recap. 2 sessions we discussed. Already close to 4 hours of content we discussed on factors and multiples. What all we discussed? How to find out the number of factors, how to find out the number of odd factors, how to find out the number of even factors, how to find out the factors which are multiples of k, how to find out the factors which are not multiples of k, how to find out the factors which are perfect squares, how to find out the factors which are not perfect squares. What is the nature of a perfect square? A perfect square has odd number of factors. A perfect square has odd number of factors. Concepts based upon perfect square. Some problems based upon this concept. Sum of the factors which are multiples of k. Sum of the factors which are not multiples of k. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Product of the factors. Product of the factors which are multiples of k and product of the factors which are not multiples of k. Next one, number of ways of writing a number as a product of 2 factors. How to find the integral solutions for the equations with degree 2. How to find the integral solutions for an equation with degree 2. These are various kinds of questions that we discussed for close to minimum 4 hours yesterday. Now, there is one question which was pending. We will start with that question. Question. Please write down. What is the concept that we discussed yesterday? Concepts. If the equation is of the form a by x plus b by y equivalent to 1 by c, this equation can be written as x minus ac into y minus bc equivalent to a into b into c square. What are ABC? ABC are numerical values. ABC are numerical values. There is one question which was pending yesterday. 1 by m plus 4 by n equivalent to 1 by 12. N is an odd number. N is an odd natural number less than 60, how many values n can take? This question was pending. 1 by m plus 4 by n equivalent to 1 by 12. N is an odd natural number less than 60. How many values n can take? How many values n can take? Now see here. How to solve it? This equation directly, the answer is x minus ac. X minus ac, 1 into 12, 12, m minus 12, y minus bc, 4 into 12 is 48. M minus 12 into n minus 48 equivalent to a into b into c square. So these are nothing but m minus 12 into n minus 48 equivalent to 4 is 2 square, 12 is 2 into 3 whole square. This is 2 power 4 into 3 square. I'll write the equation at the top. Equation is nothing but m minus 12 into n minus 48 equivalent to, these are nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 square. 2 power 4 into 3 square. N is an odd natural number less than 60. N is an odd natural number less than 60. This is an odd number. N is an odd number. 48 is an even number. Odd minus even is odd number. N odd minus even is odd. It is given in the question that n is an odd number. N is an odd number. 48 is an even number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. So what all odd factors it will take? It will take 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. So answer is n minus 48 is 1 or 3 or 9. Answer is 49, 51, 57. 49, 51, 57. Let us look at this cat question. Question is 1 by m plus 4 by n equivalent to 1 by 12. This is nothing but x minus ac, m minus 1 into 12, m minus 12, y minus bc, n minus 4 into 12 is 48. A into b into c square, 1 into 4 into 12 square, 1 into 4 into 12 square, m minus 12 into n minus 48 is 4 is 2 square, 12 is, sorry, it is 2 square into 3 whole square. So it is 2 power 6. I wrote 2 power 4. It is 2 power 6 into 3 square. But the question is, n is an odd natural number. N is an odd natural number. N is odd. 48 is even. Odd minus even is odd number. N minus 48 should be an odd number. What are all the odd factors 3 square will take? 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. N minus 48 is 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. So n will take 49, 51 and 57. How many values n can take? 49, 51 and 57. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Now the student who has asked Akhil Beta, I hope it is clear. Answer for this question is 49, 51 and 57. 49, 51 and 57. Now please write down. Please write down today's class structure. Answer for the last pending question is 49, 51 and 57. Today's class structure. What is that we are going to discuss? Today's class structure. Today's class structure. These are the various key points which we are going to discuss. Key point 1. Factors which are of the form. Please write down in the same order so that you will come to know what are all the concepts which we are going to discuss. Factors which are of the form 2k, 2k plus 1, 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, 4k plus 1 and so on. This key point which we will discuss. Factors which are of the form 2k, 2k plus 1, 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2 and so on. Key point 2. Another variety what we are going to discuss, factors which are divisible by x but not by y. Factors which are divisible by x but not by y. Factors which are divisible by x but not by y. Second key point 3, so that you will understand the class flow. Factors which are co-prime to each other. Third key point, factors which are co-prime to each other. Factors which are co-prime to each other. Key point number 4. Key point number 4. How to write down the number as a product of number of ways such that it is odd, answer is an odd number. Odd into odd, odd into even, even into even, odd into odd, odd into even, and even into even, even into even. Key point number 5. Key point number 5. How to write down a number as a sum of two or more consecutive positive integers. Sum of two or more consecutive positive integers. Key point 1. How to write the factors which are of the form 2k, 2k plus 1, 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, and so on. Factors which are divisible by x but not by y. Factors which are co-prime to each other. How to write the number which are of the form odd into odd, odd into even, even into even, even into even. In fact, it is key point number 7 actually. In key point y, key point 5, we will solve the questions based on x square minus y square equivalent to k. Key point 6, we will solve the equations which are of the form x square plus y square equivalent to k. Total 7 key points which we are going to discuss. Please take a screenshot of this so that you will come to know what exactly I am going to teach. Key point 1, key point 2, key point 3, key point 4, key point 5. How to find out the integral solutions which are of the form x square minus y square equivalent to k. And key point 6. How to find out the integral solutions which are of the form x square plus y square equivalent to k. In how many ways can you write a number as a sum of two or more consecutive positive integers? Write down one more type. Key point 8. We will try our level best to complete all these key points. Key point 8. Sum of the factors. Yesterday we discussed sum of the factors. Sum of the factors which are perfect squares. Which are perfect squares. Sum of the factors which are perfect cubes. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors. Sum of the reciprocal of the factors which are perfect squares, perfect cubes, perfect cubes. Key point 8. Total 8 key points. 35 problems. 35 plus problems. 2 hours time. 120 minutes time. Let us go concept by concept. Let us go concept by concept. I hope it is clear. Sum of factors. Now it is 6:20 till 8:20 p.m. Continuous problem solving based upon this type. Total 8 key points which we are going to discuss. Almost out of these 8 key points, almost everything will be relatively new to you. Most of them will not discuss in their day-to-day class because they think that this topic is difficult. This topic is not difficult but very conceptual by nature. Right. Key point 1. Please write down. Key point 1. Total 8 key points which we will discuss. First key point. Please write down. First key point. First key point. Find the number of factors. Find the number of factors. Find the number of factors for 120. Find the number of factors for 120 which are of the form. Find the number of factors for 120 which are of the form 2k, 2k plus 1, 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3, 4k plus 3, 5k, 5k plus 1, h, 6k plus 1. Extremely it will be clear to you. Find the number of factors of the form 2k, 2k plus 1, 2k. When you divide a number by 2, the remainders are 0 and 1. When you divide a number by 3, the remainders are 0, 1, 2. When you divide a number by 4, remainders are 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly, I took little advanced level questions. That is 5k, 5k plus 1 and 6k plus 1. 3, 5, 8, 11, 12. Total 12 problems will solve in this key point number 1. It should be extremely clear to you. 2k, 2k plus 1, 3k, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2, 4k, 4k plus 1, 4k plus 2, 4k plus 3. Listen carefully. Whatever I am saying, every problem, please write down as it is in your notebook. Now, first one, 120. Listen carefully, sir. First one. This is 120. 120 do the prime factors. 2 60s are 120. 2 30s are 60. 2 15s are 30. 3 5s are 15. 120 is nothing but 2 is multiplied 3 times. 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 2 power 3 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Find the factors which are of the form 2k. Any factor which are of the form 2k or it is divisible by 2, it is nothing but even factors. Any even factor will be of the form 2 into something. So 2 into 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. These are all the numbers which are divisible by 2. Therefore, it becomes a factor which is divisible by 2. How many factors are there for this number? Number of factors for this number is 2 square means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 cases. 3 power 1 means 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 2 cases. 5 power 1 means 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 2 cases. 4 3s are. First one answer is 12. First one answer is 12. Again I am repeating. Any factor which is of the form 2k, any factor which is of the form 2k is nothing but a factor which is an even number. Any even number should be divisible by 2. Any even number should be divisible by 2. These are all the numbers which are divisible by 2. So how many factors are there for this number? 2 square means 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. 3 power 1 is 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 1 means 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Yesterday in the class we discussed how to find out the factors. Total there are 3 factors, total there are 2 factors and total there are 2 factors. 3 into 2 into 2. Answer for this question is 12. First one, I hope it is clear. Second question. How many factors when divided by 2 it gives a remainder 1? Any number which is of the form 2k plus 1 is nothing but an odd factor. An odd factor is a factor which is never divisible by 2. An odd factor is a factor which is never divisible by 2. If it is not divisible by 2, why should I take the powers of 2? Cancel the powers of 2. If it is an odd factor, why it should be divisible by 2? Cancel power of 2. How many factors are there for this number? 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 2 into 2. Totally, second one answer is 4. Second one answer is 4. First one, right, is nothing but an even factor. Second one is nothing but an odd factor. Even factor and an odd factor. I hope it is clear. Very easy question. Slowly I will increase the level of difficulty. The number which I took it is 120. 120 is nothing but 24 into 5. 24 is 2 power 3 into 3. Any number which is divisible by 2 is nothing but 2k. 2 into remaining number. Out of 2 cube, 2 power 1 is taken. Remaining is 2 square. A and B. Foundation problems. Foundation problems. Now, next take C, D and E together. C, D and E together. C, D and E together. The number is 120. 120 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 into 5. Question number C is factors which are divisible by 3. D is factor when divided by 3 it gives a remainder 1. E is factor when divided by 3 it gives a remainder 2. Listen carefully to these three problems. 120 is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Any number when you divide by 3, it gives a remainder 0 or it gives a remainder 1 or it gives a remainder 2. Now, first one, if it is divisible by 3, take 3 out. Remaining is 2 cube into 5 power 1. These are all the numbers which are multiplied by 3. Therefore, it will be divisible by 3. How many factors are there for this number? 2 cube it will have 4 factors. 5 power 1 it will have 2 factors. 4 into 2, answer is nothing but 8. Answer is nothing but 8. Any factor which is divisible by 3 is of the form 3k. Is of the form 3k. 3 is taken out. 2 cube into 5. Pay attention to D and E. Any factor which when divided by 3 it gives a remainder 1. When it is dividing by 3 it is giving a remainder 1. When it is divided by 3 it is giving a remainder 1. When it is divided by 3, it is giving a remainder 1 is number is not divisible by 3. Am I right? Number is not divisible by 3. Because if you multiply by 3, it becomes divisible by 3. When I am saying it is giving a remainder 1, that means this number is not divisible by 3. So, these are nothing but 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. Next it is 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 5 power 1. Now how to approach this problem? When you are dividing by 3, it gives a remainder 1. When you are dividing by 3, every number divide by 3. 2 power 0 is 1. 1 divided by 3, 1. 2 divided by 3. 2 divided by 3 is minus 1. 4 divided by 3, it is 1. 8 divided by 3, it is minus 1. Why are we dividing every number by 3? Because I want the number which is of the form 3k plus 1. 3k plus 1 is number when you divide by 3, it gives a remainder 1. 5 power 0, which is 1. 1 divided by 3, 1. 5. 5 and divided by 3. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1. 3 2s are 6. Remainder 1. Now I want, first problem I will write neatly. Where all I am getting 1. 2 power 0 into 5 power 0. 1 ones are 1. This case is possible. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. I got remainder minus 1. I want remainder plus 1. Next one, minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 is plus 1. Write down this one. 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is another case. 1 should be multiplied by 1. Minus 1 should be multiplied by minus 1. 1 is multiplied by 1. 2 square into 5 power 0. 1 with minus 1, not possible. Minus 1 with minus 1. 2 cube into 5 power 1. Total, how many factors are there? Which are, right? Total, how many factors are there? Which are of the form 3k plus 1. Total, it is 4. Again, I am explaining neatly. Listen. Don't leave this question thinking it is a difficult question. It is an easy question. 3k plus 1. When you divide by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Step number 1. When you divide by 3, it gives a remainder 1. That means the number is not divisible by 3. Number is not divisible by 3. Eliminate 3. 2 cube into 5 power 1. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. These are all the factors. 5 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. First eliminate 3 from that number. Step number 2. Divide every factor by 3 because I want the number which is of the form 3k plus 1. 2 power 0 is 1. 2 divided by 3 minus 1. 4 divided by 3 1. 8 divided by 3 minus 1. 1 divided by 3 1. 5 divided by 3 remainder 3 2s are 6 minus 1. When 1 is multiplied by 1, I will get answer 1. When minus 1 is multiplied by minus 1, I will get a remainder 1. 1 with 1, 2 power 0 into 5 power 0. 2 power 1 into 5 power 1. 2 square into 5 power 0. 2 cube into 5 power 1. Now see here, when you divide a number by 3, if the positive remainder is 2, can I say that negative remainder is minus 1? Because only when you get negative remainder minus 1, positive remainder will be 3 minus 1 is 2. That means asking whether it is of the form plus 2 is nothing but asking where we get minus 1. Minus 1 where we got, minus 1 where all we will get, minus 1 we will get when 1 is multiplied by minus 1. So the first case is 2 power 0 into 5 power 1. Next, minus 1 is multiplied by 1. 2 power 1 into 5 power 0. 1 with minus 1 or minus 1 with 1 or 1 with minus 1. 2 square into 5 power 1 or minus 1 with 1. 2 cube into 5 power 0. Total how many cases are there? 4. Here numbers which are factors of 3 is 8. Number when divided by 3, I got a remainder 1, it is plus 4. Number when divided by 3, I got a remainder 2, it is plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 8. Right? I hope it is clear. I will do one more problem of this model. I do not want any students to think that it is a difficult question. It is an easy question if you are extremely good in concepts. Number when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Number when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 2. Divisible by 3, gives a remainder 1, gives a remainder 2. One more example, please take it so that it will be very comfortable for you to understand it. There is no dearth of problems. I can keep on creating as many questions as possible so that the students will understand it. One more example. 105 let us take. 105 is nothing but 3 into 5 into 7. 3 into 5 into 7. Let us do all the 3 factors again. Factors which are divisible by 3. Factors when divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. Factors when you divide by 3, it gives a remainder 2. Another 3 questions. Factors which are divisible by 3, which gives a remainder 1, which gives a remainder 2. Any number which is divisible by 3, it is 3 into something. So 3 into 5 into 7. These numbers are multiplied by 3. Therefore, it becomes factors which are multiples of 3. Factors for these number are 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 2 into 2, answer is 4. 2 into 2, answer is 4. Any number which is divisible by 3 is of the form 3 into something. 3 into remaining is 5 into 7. 5 into 7, the cases are 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 7 power 0, 7 power 1. Second case, a factor when you divide by 3, it gives a remainder 1. When it is divided by 3, it gives a remainder 1. That means it is not divisible by 3. When it is not divisible by 3, 3 is out. So it is 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 7 power 0, 7 power 1. Because it is divided by 3, divide every number by 3. 1 divided by 3, 1. 5 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6 minus 1. Why I am taking negative remainder? It will be very easy. 1 divided by 3, it is 1. 7 divided by 3, 7 divided by 3, 3 2s are 6. Positive remainder 1. I hope it is clear. I want 3k plus 1. That means 1 into 1 or minus 1 into 1. 1 into 1, 1. I got one factor. 5 power 0 into 7 power 0. Next factor, 5 power 0 into 7 power 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 is minus 1. Answer for this question is 2. 3k plus 2. If you divide a number by 3, positive remainder is 2. Negative remainder will be minus 1. Minus 1, 2 cases will be 5 power 1 into 7 power 0, minus 1 into 1, minus 1 into 1, 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. Answer for this question is 2 cases. Here 2 cases, here 2 cases. Here 2 cases, here 2 cases, and here 4 cases. Crystal clear clarity, sir. Please reply in the live chat if it is clear to you. If this problem is clear to you, I can say it with exponential confidence. Aptitude, number system, arithmetic, algebra, geometry, modern maths. You will be unbeatable in this aptitude domain if you start listening to all classes of mine. In case you can also start earning minimum 40 to 50,000 rupees taking aptitude classes on your own, like 200 plus students who became teachers in my last 15 years of my experience. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. Everybody should reply when I ask you a question if it is clear to you. If it is not clear to you, right, I will make it clear to you. I will make it clear to you. 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2. Idea, it should be clear to you. Next one. Let us go back to our question. Question is 2k plus 1 over 3k plus 1, 3k plus 2 over. Next 120 number is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Next question is factors which are divisible by 4. Factor which will give remainder 1. Factor which will give remainder 2. Factor which will give remainder 3. Now my job becomes easy. When you divide a number by 2, how will you get remainder 2? When you divide a number by 2, only 2 reminders you will get. Remainder 0 or remainder 1. So Venkateshwari, 2k plus 2 is nothing but even plus even is even, which is again 2k. I hope it is clear. Next, factors which are divisible by 4. 4k plus 1 and 4k plus 2. Now see here. Any number which is divisible by 4, which is 2 square into 2 power 1 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is nothing but, these are all divisible by 4. Number of factors for this number is 2 into 2 into 2. Answer is nothing but 8. Answer is nothing but 8. I hope it is clear. Answer is nothing but 8. First one, answer is 8. Second one, 4k plus 1. The first thing which any number multiplied by even. 4 is an even number. Even plus 1. It is an odd number. It should be an odd number and it should be of the form 4k plus 1. B. N is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It should be an odd number. Why should I take powers of 2? 2 cube is eliminated. So what are the factors for this number? 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Because it is of the form 4k plus 1, divide by 4. 1 divided by 4, 1. 3 divided by 4, minus 1. 1 divided by 4, 1. 5 divided by 4, 1. 5 divided by 4, 1. Now see here. Now two answers in a single things. 1 ones are 1. 1 ones are 1. So answer for this question is 2 factors are of the form 4k plus 1. 2 factors are of the form 4k plus 1. 2 factors are of the form 4k plus 1. 4k plus 3. 4k plus 3 is nothing but 4k plus 3 is nothing but negative remainder minus 1. Any number when you divide by 4, positive remainder 3, negative remainder minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. Minus 1 into 1 minus 1. So there are again two cases. What are the two cases? 3 power 1 into 5 power 0. 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Answer is nothing but two cases here. Here it is two cases. Here it is two cases. Now it is easy. 4k plus 2 is nothing but 2 into 2k plus 1. 2 into 2k plus 1. 4k plus 2 is 2 into 2k plus 1. Power of 2 is 1, which is fixed. 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 is nothing but odd number of factors. 2k plus 1 is nothing but odd number of factors. How many odd number of factors will exist? How many odd number of factors will exist for this number? Odd means 2 power 3 eliminated. 2 into 2, 4. This is 4. This is 2. And this is 2. And this is 8. Analyze this question. Pure conceptual question. Factors which are divisible by 4. Divisible by 4 is 4 into something. That something has got 8 factors. First it is clear. Second question, 4k plus 1. 4k plus 1. Any number multiplied by 4, it becomes an even number. Even plus 1, it is an odd number. Answer should be an odd number of factors. Answer should be an odd number of factors. Because it is odd, power of 2 is eliminated. Power of 2 is eliminated. 3 power 1 is 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 1 divided by 4 is 1. 3 divided by 4 is minus 1. 1 divided by 4 is 1. 5 power 1 is 5. 5 divided by 4 is 1. 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1. Two cases we got. Similarly, minus 1 ones are minus 1, minus 1 ones are minus 1. Negative remainder minus 1 is positive remainder 3. Again two cases we got. 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 is nothing but 2 into 2k plus 1. 2 into 2k plus 1. Power of 2 is fixed. Power of 2 is fixed. So 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 is nothing but an odd factor. Odd factors for 120 is 3 power 1 into 5 power 1, 2 into 2, 4. Now, is it now? Sir, in 4k plus 1, 4k plus 1. Now, if you see here, now, I took totally, there are some doubts as students are asking. Still, I have not completed the explanation. Still, I have not completed the explanation. Right? Shiva and Prashant both are asking. I have not completed the explanation. I have not completed the explanation. Listen carefully. Now, here what you will do is, here the entire question 4k plus 1 and 4k. Now, if you see, Prashant is asking 5 power 0 can also be taken, 5 power 1 is also taken. Sir, Prashant, good doubt you got. 5 power 0, what is the value of 5 power 0? 1. What is the value of 3 power 0 into 5 power 0? 3 power 0 is 1, 5 power 0 is 1. What is 1 into 1? 1. Both are giving you the same answer. What is 5 power 1 value? 5 power 1 value, it is nothing but 5. 5 is also nothing but 5 power 1 into 3 power 0. Any number multiplied by 1, answer will still be same. Right? I hope it is clear. Shiva, even if it is 5 power 0, 5 power 1, you are multiplying with something power 0. Something power 0 is 1. It is coming down to that value only. 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. 3 power 0 into 5 power 1. You are multiplying with 3 power 0. So it makes no difference. Are you all with me? Or another way to look at it is, totally how many factors are there for this number? Tell me how many factors are there for this number? These 4 into 2 into 2. Totally 16 factors are there. 8 plus 2 10 plus 4 14 plus 2 16. 16 it is matching. Now, Harita says repeat 4k plus 2. Definitely I will repeat again for 4k plus 2. Please write down a question. This for you. Harita, Sandhya, I will repeat it by taking one more example. Don't worry, there is no one question concept is over. Till you understand it, till I make you digest that concept and sits in your mind, I will take as many examples as possible. How many factors for 240? How many factors for 240 are of the form 4k plus 2? How many factors for 240 are of the form 4k plus 2? Prashant, I will take your doubt, right? Factors for 240 are of the form 4k plus 2. See here. 240 is nothing but 16 into 15. 16 is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It is 4k plus 2. 4k plus 2 is nothing but, Harita, for you, 2 into 2k plus 1. Power of 2 is fixed here. Power of 2 is fixed here. So in 2 power 4, I should fix 2 power 1. Remaining is nothing but 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1 is nothing but odd number of factors. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. These odd factors are getting multiplied by 2 and giving you 4k plus 2. This is nothing but 2 into 2. Answer is nothing but 4. Answer is nothing but 4. Harita, I hope it is clear, right? Prashant, what I am saying and what you are saying, both are same, right? I will explain once again. I don't think that you have understood the point. Answer for this question is 4. 2 into 2, it is 4. I will take up Prashant's doubt. Harita, I hope it is clear to you. Sandhya, I hope it is clear to you. Right? Next one. Prashant, this is for you. This is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. This is 4k plus 1, I am doing it. 4k plus 1. 4 is an even number. Even number plus 1, it is an odd number. That means answer should be an odd factor. These 2 cube is out. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. What are all the odd factors we got? 3 power 0 into 5 power 0. 3 power 0 into 5 power 1. 3 power 1 into 5 power 0. 3 into 5. This is 1. 1 is of the form 4 into 0 plus 1. This is again 5. 5 is when divided by 4, remainder 1. This is of the form 3. This is of the form 15. Now you only tell me how many factors are when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. One case. 5 when divided by 4, it gives a remainder 1. Another case. I hope it is clear. These 3. This is 3. This is 3. 4k plus 3. So totally how many cases I got? 2 cases I got. I hope the idea is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear. Praveen, I hope it is clear. Kindly reply in the live chat if this concept is clear. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples. Factors and multiples, session number 3. Session number 3. Session number 3. I hope it is clear. If something is a valid doubt, I will tell the student's name and I will take it in the class. Right? Everybody kindly reply in the live chat. Factors and multiples, one time entire concepts, it should be clear to you. It should be clear to you. Balaji says for 240. For 240 what we got, Balaji? 240 is 2 power 4 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Balaji asks a question. Answer is 16. How it can be 16? Factors which are of the form 4k plus 2 is 2 into 2k plus 1. 2 is fixed. This is out. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Answer is 4, Balaji. Everybody clear, right? Everybody clear. Right. Now, idea is clear. Now, another question. Another questions. One time if you listen, you will realize generally solving 2 or 3 problems, you will think this is factors and multiples. Teacher will tell in Hava and everything and say this topic is over. I don't teach like this. I will go to 100 feet down so that you will feel extremely confident that number system kuch bhi question de do, I can take it out. That confidence, if you want, you should definitely be a part of my online course. And next one, another question. Number is 120. 120, which is 2 cube into 3 into 5 power 1. What is the other questions? 5k. 5k plus 1. 6k plus 1. Now my job becomes easy. After this you can start creating your own questions because you have understood the method of solving this question. Factors which are divisible by 5k, which when divided by 5 gives a remainder 1, which when divided by 6 gives a remainder 1. Now see here, 6k plus 1, 6 is an even number. Even plus 1, it should be an odd factor. It should be an odd factor. When it is an odd factor, n is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It is an odd factor. So power of 2 is eliminated. Power of 2 is eliminated. Now 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. This is divisible by 3 plus 1. That means answer is not divisible by 3. 6k is divisible by 3. plus 1. Answer is not divisible by 3. 5 power 1. 5 power 1, right? 5 power 1 is 5 power 0 and 5 power 1. Two factors. 5 power 0 is 1. 5 when divided by 6, it gives a remainder minus 1. I want 6k plus 1. Answer for this question is 1. Answer for this question is 1. Right? I hope it is clear. Do not give answers. Just listen to me. Just listen to me. Where all you can do silly mistakes also, I will come to know. Right? Trust my 15 years experience. You will come to know why in southern part of India, my classroom has 3,000, 4,000 students sitting in my class. And students travel 400, 500 kilometers to listen to the class. To reach entire India is shifted to online. Factors which are divisible by 5. 5 into 2 power 3 into 3 power 1. These are multiplied by 5. Answer is 4 into 2, which is 8. 4 into 2, which is 8. I hope it is clear, Praveen. 4 into 2, it is 8. Praveen, right? 5k plus 1, please try to solve. 5k plus 1, my students are going to solve the question and tell the answer. Please try to solve. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 is not divisible by 5. Try to solve it on your own. Now you have understood the approach. I want each and every student who is watching my live class to completely focus on the content. Our live classes are completely different from others' live classes, driven by concept, solved with examples, clarified with fundamentals. Clarified with fundamentals. Some teachers will teach basics, some teachers will solve and everything. Our class is a thematic based learning. Thematic based learning. Everything is conceptual. No gossips, no entertainments, no nothing except academics. Factors when divided by 5, it gives a remainder 1. What is the answer? I am waiting for the answer. I am waiting for the answer. Why you are taking so much time to solve when you have understood the concept? 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 1. What we should divide? We should divide this number by 5. 1 divided by 5, 1. 2 divided by 5, it is 2. 4 divided by 5, it is minus 1. 8 divided by 5, 8 divided by 5, which is minus 2. 1 divided by 5, 1. 3 divided by 5, minus 2. I want 1. 1 means 1 into 1 is 1 case, minus 2 into minus 2, sorry. 1 into 1 case or minus 2 into 2. Minus 4 is giving remainder 1. 1 into 1, 1 we got. 1 into 1. 2 into minus 2. Second case we got. Third case, 1 into 1 ones are 1, 1 into minus 2, minus 2. 2 into 1, 2, 2 into minus 2, minus 4. Minus 1 into 1, minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 2, 2. Minus 2 into 1. Next case, minus 2 into minus 2. I hope it is clear, right? I got 2 cases. I got 2 cases. Don't miss the counting. Don't miss the counting. I hope it is clear. This logic is clear to you. Be careful while counting the numbers. 5k, 5k plus 1. Similarly, 5k plus 2, 5k plus 3. I am sure my students can solve it because they have understood the concept. Is key point 1 clear to you? Kindly reply it in the live chat. If I do any calculation mistake, please take care of the calculation mistake. Take care of the calculation mistake. I hope the idea is clear. Everybody clear, right? 1 into 1 minus 2 into 2. Minus 2 into 2. minus 2 into 2. Two cases, start counting it. Can I go to key point number 2? Can I go to key point number 2? Kindly reply in the live chat. Key point 1. I hope it is clear. Key point 1. I hope it is clear. Everybody clear. Everybody clear. After some days, the notes what you are writing in your class, everybody will ask for that notes. I can say it with confidence. My notes is extremely popular. 1. Right? Rachana, I will explain it for you. Right? Rachana, try to learn on your own ma. Too much of spoon feeding I generally don't like to give because I believe that you can do it on your own. 5k plus 1. 5k plus 1 means it is not divisible by 5. 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2, 2 power 3. 3 power 0, 3 power 1. 1 divided by 5, 1. 2 divided by 5, 2. 4 divided by 5, minus 1. 8 divided by 3, minus 2. 1 divided by 5, 1. 3 divided by 5, minus 2. So total, to get 1, 1 into 1 is 1 case and minus 2 into 2 is another case. Only 2 cases are possible. So 2 power 0 into 3 power 0, 1 case, and the next case is minus 2 into 2. 2 power 1 into 3 power 1. Any other case I am getting? No other case I am getting. I hope it is clear. Key point 1, it is clear. Please write down key point number 2. Key point number 2. Another interesting approach. Key point number 2. Key point number 2. Please write down. How many factors for 120 are divisible by 6 but not by 12? How many factors for 120 are divisible by 6 but not by 12? First problem. I will do 3 to 4 problems. Key point 2. Second variety of the questions. How many factors for 120 are divisible by 2 but not by 12? Right? Now see here. Solution. Listen carefully, sir. How directly I am writing. 120 is nothing but 8 into 15. 8 is 2 cube. 15 is 3 into 5. 3 into 5. 120 is 8 into 15, which is 2 cube into 3 into 5. Number should be divisible by 6. Number should be divisible by 6, but not by 12. 6 is nothing but 2 into 3. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3. The number should not be divisible by 2. It should not be of the form 2 square into 3. So it should be divisible by 2. So 2 power 1 should be there. This can be 3 power k plus 1 into, there is no restriction on 5. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Now see here. Listen carefully. What am I doing? It should not be divisible by 12. Because it is not divisible by 12, 2 square should not be there. 2 square should not be there. 2 square should not be there. That is the reason I wrote 2 power 1 into 3 power k plus 1. 3 and 3 is common. So it can start with 3 power 1. There is no restriction on 5. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. So 2 power 1 should be there. Only 3 power 1 into 5 power 0 or 5 power 1. Answer for this question is 2. Answer for this question is 2. A factor which is divisible by 6 but not by 12. 12 means it is 2 square into 3. Because it is not divisible by 12, power of 2 cannot be 2 square. It has to be 2 power 1. It is divisible by 6. For it to be divisible by 6, minimum power of 3 should be 3 power 1. So it is of the form 3 power k plus 1. There is no restriction on 5. So it is 5 power 0 into 5 power 1. If you see, 2 into 3 is 6. 6 is divisible by 6. 2 into 3 is 6. 6 into 5 is 30. 30 is divisible by 6 but not by 12. Two more questions which we will solve, then the idea will be extremely clear to you. I hope it is clear. Next one. I hope it is clear. Second one. After second one, you can ask me any doubts. N is nothing but 2 power 4 into 3 square into 3 square into 3 square into 5 power 3. How many factors for n? How many factors for n are divisible by 50 but not by 100? How many factors for n are divisible by 50 but not by 100? Second question. Are not divisible by 3. Mahesh, I will solve one more question, then it will be clear to you. How many factors for n are divisible by 50 but not by 100? 50 is nothing but 5 square into 2 power 1. It is not divisible by 100. So, 5 square into 2 square. It should not have 5 square into 2 square. To get 50, 2 power 1 should be there. It cannot be 2 square. If it becomes 2 square, 5 power, where it is starting from 2. So it is 5 power 2 plus k. There is no restriction on 3. It can take 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. So it is k value can be 0 or 1. So it is nothing but 2 power 1 into 5 square 5 cube. 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Answer is 3 2s are 6, 6 1s are 6. Answer for this question is 6. Again, please understand it clearly. It is not divisible by 100. 100 is 5 square into 2 square. Minimum power of 5 cannot be 2. Minimum power of 2 cannot be 2. To get 50, definitely it should be 2 into 5 square. Definitely it should be 2 into 5 square. These two cannot take 2. This can take any other higher powers. There is no restriction on 3. So 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 3 power 2. Multiply any number, you will realize 2 into 25 is 50. 50 ones are 50. 2 into 25 is 50. 53s are 150. 150 is divisible by 50. 2 into 25 is 50. 59s are 450. 450 is divisible by 450 is divisible by 50 but not by 100. You take any number. Because in 100, minimum power of 2 should not be 2. I kept myself power of 2 as only 1. The minute when I make it 2 square, entire number will be divisible by 100. It should not be divisible by 100. I hope it is clear. Listen carefully to every question. I hope this concept is clear. 2 power 1. One more question which we will solve. N equivalent to 3 power 4 into 5 power 6 into 7 square. Factors which are divisible by 45 factors which are divisible by 45 but not by 225, but not by 225. You will understand this idea. Key point 3 is very interesting. Factors which are divisible by 45. 45 is nothing but 3 square into 5 power 1, but not by 225. 225 is 3 square into 5 square. 25 nines are 225. 5 square should not be there. 5 square should not be there. So it is 3 square into 5 power 1 plus k. Can I write like this? 5 power 1 plus k. Tell me whether I can write like this. Whether I can write like this. I cannot write like this, because if k is 1, 5 square is 25. 25 into 9 is 225. 25 into 9 is 225. This cannot be. This cannot be. I hope it is clear, right? Because it will become 225. So what I should write is, what I should write is 5 power 1 into 3 power 2 plus k into, there is no restriction on 7. 7 power 0, 7 power 1 and 7 power 2. 5 power 1 into 3 power 2 plus k. I hope you got the idea. The minute when I take 5 square into 3 square, it will become 225. 3 square, that means here it can be 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. There is no restriction, there is 5 power 1, there is a restriction, into 7 power 0, 7 power 1, 7 power 2. 3 3s are 9. Total answer is 9 ways. Total answer is 9 ways. Total answer is 9 ways. I hope it is clear. 5 power 1 into 3 power 2 plus k. 3 power 2 plus k. 3 power 2 plus k. 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. 3 square, 3 cube, 3 power 4. There is no restriction on 7. 7 power 0, 7 power 1 and 7 power 2. I hope it is clear. 3 into 3. Answer is 9 ways. Answer is 9 ways. Key point number 2. I hope it is clear. Kindly reply it in the live chat if it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, please write down. Right? Please write down. Any discussion other than non-academics, if I see it in live chat, the only thing which I will do is to block you. As simple as that. There is no other discussion. If I block you once, you cannot watch any other videos of mine. I plan to take minimum 200 hours of updated YouTube live classes. You want to miss this content? Please write whatever you want to write. It became a habit for people to write whatever they want. Everything it is clear. Key point 2, it is clear. Key point 3, please write down. Key point 3. No hesitation, I will block you. I am a teacher who teaches. I earn my livelihood by taking classes. I earn my livelihood by writing books. I earn my livelihood and take care of all my employees to reach the next level through my skill set. Right? Key point number 3. Another beautiful approach. Please write down, sir. Key point number 3. Key point number 3. Yesterday we discussed only one point. Now we will discuss clear. Key point 3. Venkateshwari, you try it on your own. Develop the solution. Send the image to our WhatsApp number. Then I will correct you where you did wrong. That is the best way for you to learn it. Right? Next one. Key point number 3. Key point number 3. Please write down. Key point number 3. Extremely important. We are going to spend minimum 20 minutes on this topic. Minimum 20 minutes on this topic. Yesterday we discussed, do not miss any class of mine. Number of ways of writing a number. Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Yesterday, multiple concepts which we discussed. I will repeat that concept so that that becomes a foundation for our key point 3. If it is an ordered pair, if it is an ordered pair, answer is number of factors. If it is an ordered pair, it is a number of factors. When to use ordered pair? If variables are present in this question. If variables are present in this question. If it is an unordered pair, if it is an unordered pair, here also it is an unordered pair. Yesterday I told this point, I am repeating it. If a number is a non-perfect square, if a number is a non-perfect square, it is number of factors plus 1 divided by 2. We discussed it with an example. If it is a perfect square, if it is a perfect square, two cases. Number of factors minus 1 by 2 and number of factors plus 1 by 2. Number of factors minus 1 by 2, number of factors plus 1 by 2. This is excluding root n into root n. This is including root n into root n. I hope you all know this concept. Almost half an hour to 40 minutes we have discussed. We have discussed. Praveen, is the sound too low? Rishav is saying sound is too low. Sound is too low. Do you all agree? Other students? Kindly reply in the live chat. Is the sound too low? Is the sound too low? Are you unable to hear me? Kindly reply. Session number 3 on factors and multiples. Is the sound clear so that I can proceed? Number of ways of writing a number as a product of two factors. Ordered pair, it is number of factors. Unordered pair, it is non-perfect square, number of factors plus 1. If it is a perfect square, depend. Right? Examples. Then I will get into my next level of concept. Example. Please write down. Please write down these example. Example. Example 1 and example 2. What is the difference between these two examples? X into y equivalent to 120. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? This question, in how many ways? In how many ways can 120 be written? Can 120 be written as a product of two natural numbers? As a product of two natural numbers. Write down these two questions, otherwise a small mistake you will do it. Otherwise, small mistake which will do it. Right? Now, see here. Listen carefully. First think, variables are present in this question. If variables are present in this question, it is an ordered pair. It is an ordered pair. If it is an ordered pair, It is nothing but number of factors. It is nothing but number of factors. 120 is 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Total number of factors is 4 into 2 into 2, 16. This is 16. If variables are present in the question, then it is an ordered pair. Then it is an ordered pair. Here variables are not present in the question. Variables are not present in the question. If variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Then it is an unordered pair. 120 is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It is, and the number is a non-perfect square. And the number is a non-perfect square. And the number is a non-perfect square. So answer is number of factors by 2. Number of factors by 2. 16 by 2. Answer is nothing but 8. Answer is nothing but 8. To all the students who are listening for the first time, if variables are present in the question, it is an ordered pair. If the variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Variables are present in the question, ordered pair. Variables are not present in the question, then it is an unordered pair. Otherwise, you will start mistaking when to use ordered pair and when not to use ordered pair. Preliminary example we discussed in the previous class. Next one, please write down. Please write down example 3. I wanted to do example 3. For that, I require the foundation of example 1 and 2. Example 3. Example 1 and example 2. Basic definition. Example 3. X into y equivalent to 72. X and y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take such that first one, it is odd into odd. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of odd into odd? Second case, in how many ways can you write a number as a product of odd into even? In how many ways can you write a number as a product of even into even, even into even, odd into odd, odd into even into even. Any live chat comment other than non-academics, simply I will block. I do not even want that student to watch my class. Very simple and straightforward. X into y equivalent to 72. Odd into odd, odd into even into even. Listen carefully. 72 is 2 cube into 3 square. Method 1. 72. What are the cases? We will see. 1 into 72, 2 into 36, 3 into 24, 4 into 18, 6 into 12, 8 into 9. Reverse will be 72 into 1, 36 into 2, 24 into 3, 18 into 4, and so on 9 into 8. These are the total 12 cases we got. Odd into odd. First case. When you multiply odd into odd, I will get an odd number. But the right hand side, 72 is an even number. First one answer is 0. First one answer is 0. I hope it is clear. Odd into odd, I will get an odd number. Answer should be an even number. Why? Because 72 is an even number. Odd into odd will give you an odd number. Even number into even number. Any even number. Praveen. It is 2k1. Another even number. It is 2k2. It is nothing but 72. So this is nothing but This is nothing but K1 into K2. It is nothing but 72 by 4 is 18. 18 is 3 square into 2 power 1. 3 square into 2 power 1. How many factors are there for this number? Because it is a variable or present. Number of factors. Number of factors will become 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. 3 2s are 6. I hope it is clear. Right? So this is nothing but odd into even. Odd into odd will always give you odd number. 72 is an even number. First case answer is 0. Second case it is even into even. Any even number is of the form 2k1. 2k1 into 2k2. It is 72. K1 into K2 is 18. 18 is nothing but 3 square into 2 power 1. How many factors exist for this number? 3 into 2 is 6. Odd into even. Odd into even. What are the cases we got odd into even? In this example, if I take, then I will tell you. 1 into 72. 72 into 1. 3 into 24. 24 into 3, 8 into 9 and 9 into 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 cases I got. If you observe, 1 is nothing but 3 power 0. This is 3 power 1. This is 3 power 2. This is nothing but 2 times the total number of odd factors. This is nothing but the 2 times the total number of odd factors. If you see why 2 times came, 3 power 0 can be taken by x, 3 power 0 can be taken by y, 3 power 1 can be taken by x, 3 power 1 can be taken by y, 3 power 2 can be taken by x, 3 power 2 can be taken by 3 power y. It is total number of odd factors. Example number 3. Before that one, example 1 and 2, there is no restriction on x and y. X and y are natural numbers. But here I kept a restriction, that is odd into odd, odd into even and even into even. I will do 3 to 4 problems so that it will be clear to you. Right, the student who said it is not clear, if I take one more example, it should be clear to you. X into y is 72. I think it is one more example. Fourth example, x into y is 100. X into y is 100. X, y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take? How many values x, y will take? X into y is 100. X, y are natural numbers. How many values x, y will take? Second example, similar model. Odd into odd. This is nothing but odd into even. Third case, it is even into even. Even into even. Listen carefully the solutions for all these three. Odd into odd, I will get odd. Answer is 100 even. First one answer is 0. First one answer is 0. Third one, even into even. Any even number is of the form 2k1. Another even number is of the form 2k2 is 100. So k1 into k2 is 25. 25 is 5 square. Number of factors for 5 square is 3. Third one answer is 3. Third one answer is 3. 2k1 into 2k2 is 100. k1 into k2 is 25. 5 square. Total 3. Odd into even. Odd into even is nothing but twice the total number of factors. 2 times the total number of factors. Twice the total number of odd factors. Twice the total number of odd factors. 100 is nothing but 2 square into 5 square. Total number of odd factors are 3. 2 3s are 6. I hope it is clear to you. If it is clear to you, kindly reply in the live chat if the answer is yes. Odd into odd is odd. Odd into even. Even number is 2k1, 2k2. Odd into even, it is total number of odd factors. In case if you want why it is total number of odd factors, I can write cases here. 1 into 100, 100 into 1. Next case, 5 into 20, 20 into 5. Next case, 25 into 4 and 4 into 25. 4 into 25. Odd into odd, case is over. Odd into even, case is over. Even into even, case is over. Odd into even is nothing but 2 times the total number of odd factors. Odd into even is nothing but 2 times the total number of odd factors. I hope this concept is clear. I took the right hand side as an odd number. I took the right hand side as an odd number. Let us take I took it as an even number. Odd number we will do. Everybody clear? Everybody clear, right? Next one. Next one clear. Praveen. Fifth question. X into Y equivalent to. X into Y equivalent to. X into Y equivalent to 75. What if the right hand side is an odd number? Next question. Please write down. X into Y equivalent to 75. X into Y equivalent to 75. X and Y are natural numbers. Cases we will write. First case, odd into odd. Second case, odd into even. Odd into even. Third case, even into even. Right hand side we took as an even number. Now I am taking odd number. Odd into odd. Odd into even. And even into even. Any two even numbers multiplied. Any two even numbers multiplied. Answer will be an even number. Rambabu. Answer will be an even number. So the third one, answer is 0. Rambabu. Next one, any number multiplied by an even number. Answer will be an even number. Answer will be an even number. Again it is 0. Odd into odd. Odd into odd. Right? Odd into odd will always give you odd factors. 75 is 3 into 5 square. Total number of odd factors are 3 into 2. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 2, 6. I hope the idea is clear. 3 into 2. Answer is 6. Odd into odd. Odd into even. And even into even. Odd into odd. Odd into odd. Odd into even. And even into even. Even into even. I hope it is clear. Sai Kiran. Right? Do you think I will leave that doubt? Students might ask. Right? Prashant, you can do the converse also. You can do the converse also. I hope it is clear. Next half an hour, listen carefully to another model. Next half an hour, clearly listen to the next model. Extremely important model. I hope this idea is clear. Next one, please write down. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. Extremely important concept. Very, very important concept. Very, very important concept. X square minus y square equivalent to k. And after the class is over, the class will be made private. Please wait till 8 o'clock. I am going to launch a new program, that is all the YouTube live class videos of Anil Nair. I plan to take minimum 180 hours of YouTube live classes. Only I will be taking all the classes, and trust me, that course is going to rule the world of aptitude in the next few months. If a student want to know number system, everything from the fundamentals to the highest level, number system, all the topics it will be there. Arithmetic it will be there. Algebra it will be there. Geometry it will be there. Modern maths it will be there. All concepts in detail YouTube live classes I am going to launch today. Please wait till 8 o'clock. Listen to another important concept. X square plus minus y square equivalent to k. X, y are natural numbers. X, y are natural numbers. Now listen carefully. Has integral solutions. Has integral solutions. Has integral solutions. Has integral solutions only if k is an odd number, k is an odd number, or k is a multiple of 4, or k is a multiple of 4. Please write down this. First write down this. Praveen, k is a multiple of 4. Please write down this important concept. X square minus y square equivalent to k. This equation has integral solutions only if k is a odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Side heading, write down proof. Very important concept, sir. Proof. Please write down. Please write down. X square minus y square equivalent to k. Right? Equivalent to k. X, y are natural numbers. X, y are natural numbers. This is nothing but x plus y into x minus y equivalent to k. X plus y into, right, x minus y equivalent to k. Now see, if x is an odd number, if x is an odd number, y is an odd number. If x is an odd number, y is an even number. If x is an even number, y is an even number. If x is an odd number, y is an odd number. Y is an odd number. Now listen carefully. Because x and y are natural numbers, these 4 cases will arise. X square minus y square equivalent to k. Now see, this is the case. Odd plus odd. Odd plus odd. It is an, we have not taken one case. X is even, y is odd. X is even, y is odd. Let me write it. I lost it. Yes, it is there. This is not odd, this is even. This is even number. Even number. Listen carefully, sir. First and third case, if I take, what is an odd plus odd number? It is an even number. What is odd minus odd? even number. If I multiply two even numbers, what will be the right hand side? Divisible by 4. Right hand side is divisible by 4. Odd plus odd, odd plus odd, even, odd minus odd, even. First case. Third case also take it. Even plus even, even minus even. First and third case. First and third case, these divisible by 4. Second and fourth case, odd number on square, it is an odd number. Odd number on square, it is an odd number. Even number on square, it is an even number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Odd minus even, it is an odd number. Even number on square, even number. Odd number on square, odd number. Even minus odd is odd. I hope the proof is clear. X square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions. Has integral solutions. Praveen, has integral solutions only if k is an odd number or k is a multiple of 4. Only if k is an odd number and k is a multiple of 4. Again I am explaining. Odd plus odd, even. Odd minus odd, even. Two numbers are even. Even number is 2k1, another even number is 2k2. 2k1 into 2k2, it is divisible by 4. If x is even, y is even. Even plus even, even. Even minus even, even. Even into even, it is divisible by 4. Now problems. Listen carefully, sir. Listen carefully. Please write down this. X square minus y square equivalent to k has integral solutions. Has integral solutions only if k is an odd number and k is a multiple of 4 and k is a multiple of 4 and k is a multiple of 4. Right? Two cases. Example 1. Example 1. X square minus y square equivalent to 206. XY are natural numbers. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? X square minus y square equivalent to 206. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? This is not divisible by 4. So answer for this question is no value. Answer for this question is no value. Directly by looking at a question, you can say that this equation has integral solution only if the right hand side is an odd number or right hand side is a multiple of 4. Is a multiple of 4. I hope it is clear. First one. One more example. One more example. Second one. X square minus y square. Praveen, malli padatledu chudu. Equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. XY are natural numbers. How many values x comma y can take? X comma y can take. X square minus y square equivalent to 1, 2, 3, 4. How many values x comma y will take? Divisibility rule of 4 is last two digits should be divisible by 4. 34 is not divisible by 4. Again the answer is no value for x comma y. Right hand side should be either an odd number or it should be divisible by 4. Either an odd number or it should be divisible by 4. First one answer is 0. Second one answer is 0. Now we will take what if the right hand side. What if the right hand side is an odd number? What if it is a multiple of 4? What if the right hand side is an odd number and it is a multiple of 4? And it is a multiple of 4. Third question. Listen carefully, sir. Third question. Third question. Third one. Listen carefully. Directly you will get the answer. X square minus y square is nothing but 65 whole square. XY are natural numbers. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? X square minus y square is 65 whole square. XY are natural numbers. How many values XY will take? These are nothing but x plus y into x minus y equivalent to 5 square into 13 square. Listen carefully. If I call these as A, these as B, A into B is nothing but 5 square into 13 square. 5 square into 13 square. This is nothing but x square minus y square. This is possible when it is x is odd or y is even, or x is even, y is odd. Right hand side is odd number under this case. In how many ways can you write a number as a product of two factors? 3 into 3 is 9 cases. In that 9 cases, 4 cases will have A greater than B. 1 case will have A equivalent to B. 4 cases will have A less than B. Am I right? Total 9 cases I will get. In that 9 cases, if x plus y, if x plus y, if x plus y is giving you, I think I erased it unknowingly, sir. So if x square, I'll use my thumb, please cooperate. X square minus y square equivalent to 65 square. 65 is 5 square into 13 square, which is x plus y into x minus y. X minus y. These are nothing but 9 cases I got. 9 cases is nothing but 4 here, 1 case. 1 case is A is equivalent to B. 4 cases A is greater than B. 4 cases A is less than B. This is A into B. This is A into B. A into B is 9 cases. If A is equivalent to B, if x plus y is equivalent to x minus y, that is y value 0. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. X and y are natural numbers. If it is a natural number, this cannot be the case. This cannot be the case. This cannot be the case. Why? Because sum of two natural number can never be less than their difference. Answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. Once you understand, it is very easy. X square minus y square is 65 whole square, which is 5 square into 13 square, which is 9. Total 9 cases I got here. In that 9 cases, 4 cases A is greater than B, x plus y greater than x minus y. 4 cases A is less than B. 1 case A is equivalent to B. X plus y cannot be equivalent to x minus y. Why? Because y will be 0. Y will be 0. Answer for this question is 4. Answer for this question is 4. I will do 2 more examples.